Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see SSID of my network. We start by entering the settings. Afterwards, we will go to the Wi-Fi or network section depending on our model to be able to see the network to which we are connected, and thus check the SSID that corresponds to it. If what we want is to see the SSID of our portable hotspot, we will go to the Portable Hotspot section, and then enter Setup Portable Hotspot. To check the SSID that we have configured and that we can customize. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.